There's still some glass from when before they renovated the house. It caught on fire. This thing needs to be cleaned out, something wicked, but you get the picture. It runs down here. And right there, where that thing is a pipe that drops down about 4 feet and doesn't come out. I don't think you can see. Comes out at the street, which is way down there. This thing runs all the way around our house. Starts there, runs back up there. We gotta get some gutters put back on here. Another one over here for the gutter. Then when it drops down and does the same thing, it runs around. It's also filled with crap. Have to clean it out, but it's over here. This one just goes under the ground right there. This pipe runs, goes underground. They both come out right there. This trench starts back, runs down. That right there. There's 3 more in the front yard that do the same thing. Pretty stoked about it. Lauren thinks I'm an idiot for it. Small things. Alright.